My name is Olivia, and this is who I am. That kind of sounded like a Disney Channel intro, but we're just gonna go with it.
What's my personal purpose? Well, whether I'm swimming in the pool, yep, that's me in the middle lane, or I'm acting in a movie and directing with some of my best friends, I know that my personal purpose is to be brave, be myself, and believe in myself, no matter what.
From kindergarten through senior year, I spent over 2,500 active hours as a Girl Scout. My Girl Scout adventure began in a troop of 19 girls led by my mom. We sang in nursing homes, painted, camped, rock climbed, and sewed for every occasion. Scouts taught me civic responsibility, like serving food-insecure families in my community and collecting goods for the homeless. My Girl Scout vest now displays over 200 patches that I've earned over the course of 12 years as a Scout. I received my Girl Scout Silver Award the summer after my freshman year of high school when I led a series of take-action workshops in my local library, doing crafts and games and focusing on storytelling. Last summer, I began my Girl Scout Gold Award project, helping teens in my community find their voice through weekly online Zoom workshops that started in early July and ran to late August. The idea for the project stemmed from my creativity and deep love for theater and the arts. Despite only having access to a virtual platform, I managed to teach lessons on topics such as diction, body language, and listening skills to help teens like me improve their public speaking and social skills in the real world today. Each week, I followed a format where I would begin with a central question and theme of the day and use theater games and activities to engage and teach the teens a certain lesson. We discussed what finding your voice meant, how celebrities and activists like Tabby Gevinson and Anna DeVere Smith use their voices, and how we can be encouraged and inspired to make a change in our world today. We reinforced the lesson by physically speaking up and playing a few improv games where we channeled these ideas. We discussed the importance of how we present ourselves to the world and how vital eye contact, smiles, and positive body language are in a real-world situation. We reinforced these ideas by watching a step-by-step of what to do in an interview and by playing a game called Situational Improv, where the teens got to make up their own stories based off of assigned characters and situations. We reflected on questions about our strengths and weaknesses and how we can use these to form a better version of ourselves. We embraced ideas of individuality and emphasized that what makes you different makes you special.